How's it going, people? This is Carlos representing Mad Lives. Welcome to another video. Go ahead and take you to my back workout. Before I do that, just want to say, for the people that are still affected with the Beryl, I know I was affected with the storm. I'm gonna show you in a bit, what happened to my house and stuff like that, and the trees. But just stay strong, people. I know I did. I didn't have power for about 3 days. And my eating, I mean, I was just eating whatever, man. Everything on the fridge spoiled the second day. My power went out. So, like I said, I wasn't picky. I was eating whatever was available at the time. And so I got power on my fourth day. And, just started getting back on my usual routine. But, before that, it just whatever, eating whatever. I haven't been to the gym since Friday. Today's Sunday, so that's almost 7 days, I think, somewhere around there. So, like I tell you before, I tell people at the gym, uh, your life comes first before For me, my life comes first, and family before the gym. Like I said, gym ain't paying me, ain't make I ain't, uh, I'm not making no money going to the gym. So, and first thing first is just my life around my family. Anything that I gotta fix first, that comes first, and then if I have the time and if my mind's right, start going back to the gym. So everything's pretty good now. So like I said, first day again this Sunday, start hitting the gym again. So right now I'm just eating some watermelon and vitamin C. Got my watermelons, eat that. I'm gonna eat a banana. Got my pre-workout. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, and then I'll take you outside and see what happened. All right. Okay, we're out here outside. Just finished my my watermelon banana, and let me go and show you. Yeah, I have a pecan tree in the back. Two of those branches broke, so I had to cut them. There, branches. I just everything that was scattered. I threw some of it on the around the tree, fixing to move it to the front. The I got my generator here. Just put these canopies because it started raining 2 days ago. I got it there. If y'all want to know the brand of it, it's the Predator from Harbor's Freights. I've been having it for like 3 years. Uh, the Predator 8750 runs pretty good. Just connected that battery. So yeah, I ran like I said, my fridge, pretty much all my living room, my microwave. It's just stuff we needed. Some fans. Now that's a pallet I had, so I just try to cover the this windows, whatever other stuff I had, just to cover the window, because if you can see, the wind broke my outside door, so that came apart. So I had to take it off, and not too much on my fence. It's just this side right here. The corner post broke, so I just braced it real quick. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the front real quick. All right, just stepping out. You can see I already had cut that tree down a while ago. Now this is what this my other tree that broke from the wind again, from the winds. You can see two branches broke, or three branches broke. There's this big one was right here. I have another one on that side, and there was another one coming this way, so it covered pretty much the whole street. Now this branch, part of it hit my truck. I'll post it another video I have recorded on. So this is what I've been doing for 3 days. Cutting all the branches, piling them up. I didn't have enough room, so I had to come over here, do all this. Now, some people came and tried to help me pull the branch off the street. So they came in their four-wheeler or something, and they pretty much tore up my front yard right here. So I'm gonna have to fix that. You know, tires went in there. So, you know, I still got a lot of stuff to do. Now, I had a 4-inch chainsaw, so I cut whatever that chainsaw could cut on the branches. So I'm trying to get me a 18-inch or 20-inch chainsaw so I can finish cutting off the rest of this big old branch and that one. So I'll probably go ahead and cut the rest of these branches also, so I don't want for it to fall on my house, you know. So that's what's been going on. Like I said, I'm already all cut up. So fixing to start going back to the gym. So I'll see you at the gym. Alright people, first exercise is going to be the barbell row. Now hand placement is up to you. Usually I try to get it in the middle where the grip and the smooth part is at. You know, that's where I feel more of my back. Now you just play with your hand placement wherever you feel, you know, your back working the most on this exercise, and that's where you're gonna keep your hand. Slight bend on my knees. This is where my body position is gonna be. My body at an angle this way, just like this. Now don't round your back. Keep your try to stick your chest out. You know, good body posture. Try to stay where you're at. Don't try to lean forward to help you, you know, pick up the weight, because now you're doing momentum to help you lift the weight instead of using just your back muscles to lift the weight. Again, been out for a week. You know, starting off kind of light. You know, to see where I'm at. All right, no need to rush. Not trying to injure myself. All right. Now, I don't know if you can see through the camera, but on the mirror, you know, veins are all popping out and stuff like that. That's just the carbs, you know. Like I said, those fruits, watermelon, banana, making my veins pop out. Taking a little break, do another set. Now one thing, you know, you can do a overhand grip, like you see me doing. Usually I wasn't holding the bar, I just had it on my fingertips. That puts a little bit more, like I said, tension on your back. If you haven't tried it, go ahead and give it a try. But if you're going heavy, I just recommend, you know, full grip on the bar. Using straps also help you lift more weight, because what's going to fatigue first is going to be your forearms. You know, again, you can do overhand. Now, if you do underhand, again, I recommend just holding it with your fingers instead of a full grip.
Again, less stress on your biceps, but you're still gonna put stress on your biceps, no matter how you hold it. If you're gonna do an underhand grip, you know, a full grip, or just have the bar on your fingertips, it's still gonna put some tension on your biceps. But again, I'll feel better squeeze, more back work it when doing a underhand. So it's your option. Go ahead and give both of them a try and see for yourself. Whatever you like, go ahead and do that. It's gonna be we're gonna do second and third exercise here. You know the machine is a seated row. And I've been doing this for a long time. It's still working. I'm gonna keep doing it. Now we're gonna alternate. We're gonna do wide rows, take a break, then do closed rows this way. All right. First exercise again this way. This way. You already know the movement. Now it's gonna be after that. We're gonna go like this. Two sets of each. Now, like I said, you already know the movement, my body position, stuff like that. How to, target the back more. So let's get to it. Feeling good. First exercise, that barbell bend over rows. I'll feel my whole back, warmed up. Let's get it. Starting off light. See where I'm at. Okay, tip here. If you want to work your the outer part of your top back, from the rear delts and stuff like that, get that more defined. Key tip here is stretch. You need to stretch that way, because it's stretching the muscle, this muscle here. So as you're coming in, like I said, you're working more the outer part of your back, just trying to figure out how to work that muscle. Yeah, it's just stretching it, because if you don't stretch it, pretty much you're just working more your inner back muscle. But that stretch is going to help you get more of your rear delts all around that section, more defined, more cut up. My hands again, I like to hold my the grip for just my fingertips and having my thumb this way. They just better contraction for me instead of holding it this way. But whatever you decide to do. Close grip now. Ooh. All right, people, just back from the gym. Felt good. You know. Now, what I didn't record, I did some pull downs, some reverse, pull downs, and traps, forearms, and rear delts. You know, it just the gym started getting packed. Like I said before, you know, I don't like to record when there's a lot of people around me because I don't want to record them. You know, keep that their privacy away from me doing the video. So yeah, and like I said, just back home again. It's my day off, Sunday. So eating pancakes and some eggs. Now I added a little bit. Go ahead and show you pancakes. I started eating already. I forgot how to do the ending of the video. So pancakes. This mix I use. Now each serving it says 60 grams. Let me see, 60 grams. So I put 140 grams. You know, mix to make my pancakes. Now the eggs I used 6 eggs. 5 eggs, full eggs, and 3 egg whites. So that's a total of eight eggs. And so I'm gonna try to carb up today a little bit. You know, keep me back or put me back where I started. You know, from that week off. You know, I was eating a lot. Like I told you before in the beginning, I had a power outage 3 days. The second day, everything from the fridge and the freezer went bad. So I had to throw everything, and I couldn't buy no groceries. It just because I didn't have nothing to, put it in to keep it cool and stuff like that. So I had to eat, whatever was available, trying to survive pretty much. So my meals weren't on there, on track. How I usually keep, eat all my meals. So now I'm gonna try to carb up today. Now I won't eat no fast food or nothing like that. I'll probably eat a bowl of cereal and probably a bowl of oatmeal with the banana. Like I said, that's pretty much more carbs, just to carb up, give me that energy back again. Where like I said, put me where I started, where I ended. So what else? Yeah, I just like I said, like I mentioned before in the beginning of the video, we got affected here in Houston. I'm from Houston, Texas. We got affected by Beryl storm. You know, a lot of power outage, branches broken onto power lines or onto houses. A lot of fence broken down, and I showed you the video. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the videos I took when the storm was hitting.
you know. And so, and I'll probably make another video just you know, for tips, what you have on hand, you know, how to be prepared when there's a flooding, power outage, a freeze. You know, I've gone through some of those things, and so now I'm, you know, need to be prepared. And I got some of the stuff. I still need to buy some stuff to really, like I said, be prepared. So again, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for y'all new subscribers, and really appreciate that. So to the next one, this is Carlos, and I'm out. Peace.